This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. I'd like to please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models, and welcome to issue 98 of building Eleanor from Gone in 60 Seconds. In this issue, we're starting the rear end proper. We're putting the lights on. So we've got a board of lights, which are going to fit into there. 4 lights going to go in there a bit like that. And the cover goes over the top, and 2 screws hold that together. They hold it together onto the rear of the entire car that is getting quite big and unwieldy. So I shall attempt to film exactly what I'm doing. I'm going to need 2 screws. I'm going to need that, and then that for the outside. So let's see what we can do here. This is going on the left side. So we've got it here like this. So that is going on the outside there. It should be that way round. Yeah, with a shape bit on the outside like that. And then on the inside, we have the bulb assembly with the wire coming out to the outside. So that goes in there again like that, sort of flush to the car. And then that goes over the top of it that way round. A bit like that. And that should, in theory, line up so we can get these screws in. It felt like it sort of lined up in place somewhere, but whether it's the right place, I don't know. It feels like there's something there, but something, you know, maybe something hole-like. I can't really tell. But I can't let go of anything now because the weight of the car is not being supported by anything. But yeah, that's holding that together, so that's the thing. Get the other side lined up as well. And that should line up a bit like that. There we go. So that's that. I don't know exactly where, I do know exactly where that's going to go because I can see a trace around here, exactly the same as we had at the front for the other bits. So that's going to go across there. There'll be clips coming, no doubt, to hold that in place over there. And then that will meet up somewhere around here for the board. So that's that. I shall get those tightened up, but it's starting to come together and starting to look like the rear end of a car. So yeah, next time when I get the next pack, we're doing the other side and then the windscreen. So for now, I can put this away and we'll be done for another month. But that's starting to look quite nice. So thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon for more of this and other things. Bye bye for now.